Welcome to the Florida Keys. We hope you enjoy your day on and in the water. Before you dive in, we'd like to share a few things about the special marine environment you're about to experience and how you can play a role in protecting it for the future. As soon as you enter the waters of the Florida Keys, you're in a very special place. The Keys are home to the world's third largest barrier coral reef, 6,000 species of marine life, some of the world's largest seagrass meadows, thousands of mangrove islands, and a rich maritime history of sunken shipwrecks. Because of their importance, these environmental and cultural resources are protected as a national marine sanctuary. Managed by NOAA and the state of Florida, Florida Keys National Marine Sanctuary surrounds the entire Florida Keys island chain, stretching from south of Miami through the dry Tortugas. The Marine Sanctuary protects the Florida Keys coral reef and marine environment, but we need your help. While coral may look like a rock or plant to some people, coral reefs are actually formed by thousands of individual animals. Together, these coral animals form a colony. These soft-bodied animals build a hard skeleton-like structure for protection. As they reproduce, they build more structure, and over thousands of years, coral colonies have built the reef you see today. Coral reefs are important to the Florida Keys and to the entire planet. Reefs provide important habitat for marine life. In fact, 25% of all the world's fish species call coral reefs home. The beautiful fish you see today while diving and snorkeling, and the delicious fish you may eat at the local seafood restaurant are here thanks to the coral reef. While corals may appear strong, they are deceptively fragile. Coral animals are covered with a special protective layer that helps them fight disease. Even the lightest touch with your hands or fins can harm this protective coating, and touching or kicking these soft animals may crush or kill them. You can help protect coral animals by keeping some extra distance between you and the reef. How you snorkel and dive today can make a difference. Come on, we'll show you how. If snorkeling, use a snorkel vest or other flotation device. This will help you be more comfortable in the water and reduce your chances of accidentally coming in contact with the coral. While snorkeling, if you need to adjust your mask or gear, roll over onto your back to do so, or move to deeper water. If you feel you need to be standing to adjust your gear, return to the boat. Remember to keep a safe distance from the reef and avoid any shallow areas. Surge or boat wakes can easily push you onto the reef. Be sure to swim horizontally in the water. This allows you to keep your fins away from the reef. A stray fin kick can easily injure coral animals, even breaking off pieces of delicate branching corals. Fin kicks in the sand may also stir up sediment, which can smother the tiny coral animals. Be aware of your equipment. As a diver, be sure to secure gauges and hoses. Secure them before you jump in, and check them frequently during the dive. Bracing yourself on the reef can easily damage these delicate structures. Coral's sharp limestone skeleton can also cut or scrape your skin. Some corals, like fire corals, have stinging cells and pack a painful punch. Keep your distance, and you won't have to find out exactly how painful. We need your help, not only protecting the corals, but all the marine life found here. The reef is their home, and we're just visitors. When you keep a reasonable distance from marine animals, you'll be more likely to see their normal and natural behaviors, like feeding, resting, or even courtship. Close encounters with marine life can stress the animals or even put you in harm's way, since some marine life can bite or sting. It's never a good idea to feed marine life. While you may like eating potato chips, green peas, and bagels, these things are harmful to marine animals. Animals fed in the wild may lose their fear of humans, act more aggressive towards people, or become dependent on handouts. Human food is not part of their normal diet and can make animals sick. While you're on board today, be sure to secure all your personal items so they don't blow overboard. Seabirds and marine mammals can easily become entangled in marine debris or eat it and become sick or die. A floating plastic bag looks a lot like a jellyfish lunch to a sea turtle. Be sure to properly dispose of all food waste, including banana peels, orange rinds, and grape stems. While food items are biodegradable, they still don't belong in the marine sanctuary waters. While you're enjoying your time at the reef, remember to take only pictures and leave only bubbles. Marine life, shells, and coral in the ocean serve a purpose exactly where they are. That fuzzy-looking shell in the sand might be covered in tiny baby corals ready to build the next coral reef. Or it might make a nice new home for our hermit crab. Coral and shells serve a higher purpose here in the ocean than they would on your desk or shelf at home. Help the marine sanctuary by leaving nature in its place. In addition to its coral reef attractions, Keys waters are home to thousands of shipwrecks that provide divers and snorkelers the opportunity to explore the underwater wonders of our marine history. Maritime and cultural resources over 50 years in age are protected and should not be disturbed or removed. Leave shipwrecks just as you found them, so they may be enjoyed for the future. After you leave the Florida Keys, you can still help protect our coral reefs, whether home is nearby or far from the ocean. Your actions and choices have an impact on the health of the reef and the marine environment. Wherever you live, learn why healthy coral reefs are valuable to the fish, plants, animals, and people that depend on them. The health of the environment depends greatly on how we treat it and the choices we make. Thank you for visiting Florida Keys National Marine Sanctuary. We hope you make lasting memories while you're here and share what you've learned about this special place with others. The coral reef and all the marine life that call it home will thank you for it.